Welcome to Monkey Physics IIT JEE NEET Foundations.
Yeah, let's take one more example based on the previous case. Now this time we are doing the numerical part. So it starts from rest, vehicle starts from rest and moving with a constant acceleration of 6 meters per second square for some time, and after that brakes are applied. So once the brakes are applied, it is retarding. So retarding at a rate of 3 meters per second square and comes to rest. So comes to rest we can take. Yeah, same as previous case. Previous is the general one, and this one with particular numbers we are doing with. Now they are asking find maximum velocity of the vehicle. Second one, displacement during the journey. So displacement during the motion till it comes to rest. What is the displacement it covers, we can say. And average velocity of the vehicle. So these are the things they ask us to find. Hope it's clear, right? Now based on the previous case, V maximum velocity, we derived the expression, right? So if you don't watch the previous video, please go through the previous video before coming to this problem. So the expression is alpha beta by alpha plus beta into t, and this is a maximum velocity for this particular case. Alpha 6 into beta 3 upon 6 plus 3 into what is the total time of journey. They have to give it as some value, whatever it is. Of course, we are giving the total time of journey 5 seconds. Let us take that. So into 5. So what happened here? 18 by 9 into 5. It's nothing but 2 into 5 is nothing but 10 meters per second is a maximum velocity. Now what is the displacement? So displacement is nothing but the expression we got half into alpha beta by alpha plus beta into t square. Okay. Yeah, then half into alpha beta by alpha plus beta by alpha plus beta into t. So this part we got it as 10 into additional t is there, because t into t na alpha beta by alpha plus beta into t is nothing but the maximum velocity. So what happened here? It's a 5 into, of course, time itself is also equivalent to 5. It's a 25 meters. The distance it covered is 25 meters. Then next, what is the last one? Average velocity. So average velocity expression is given as, yeah, displacement into time, isn't it? So what is that? Displacement into time. What is the displacement we got? 25 into time is nothing but 5 seconds. Total time of journey. So how much is that? 125 meters per second. Average velocity. Yeah, this is also can be written as, according to the formula in the previous case, what is that? Half into alpha beta by alpha plus beta into t. Alpha beta by alpha plus beta. Oh, I'm sorry. So average velocity displacement by time. Displacement is 25 and the time is 5. It's nothing but 5 meters per second. Or else with the formula we can use, what is that formula? Half alpha beta by alpha plus beta into t. So half alpha beta by alpha plus beta into t is nothing but 10 itself. So 10 by 2 is nothing but 5 meters per second. So that is the average velocity. Yeah, thank you.